Today I am showing pumpkin dessert which is called pumpkin halwa. In a deep bowl I will add pumpkin and pour the milk over it and allow it to boil. I would stir in between few times and close the lid and cook until it is cooked well. It has taken almost 15 minutes to reach this stage and I want this milk to get evaporated. At the same time continue boiling. At this stage I will mash the pumpkin a bit. Milk is completely evaporated. Now I will add the sugar and our halwa is ready. For the last leg I just need to fry the nuts in the ghee. Cashews are fried well. Our pumpkin halwa ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.